All right, let's build a full-stack to-do app from scratch using just Express and EJS. Ready?
So how do we show live server data without a bulky front-end framework? Let's solve it. Static HTML requires extra client-side fetching, but EJS, it dynamically injects data right on the server. Basically, EJS is like a giant game of Mad Libs. Your server just fills in the blanks. But hey, before we can render anything, where is our to-do data actually stored? To keep it simple, we're swapping a massive database for a local JSON file using Node. We intentionally use synchronous file reading and writing here to avoid annoying system deadlocks. Now meet your traffic controllers. These 3 express routes handle the entire logic of our app. The home route simply reads your JSON tasks and tosses that array straight into the EJS template. Adding a task, we grab the input, stamp it with a time ID, save, and redirect home. Deleting is slick. Dynamic routing grabs the specific ID, filters it out, and updates the JSON. Okay, backend done. But how does our front end actually display these new dynamic tasks? Right inside our HTML, we just drop in a real JavaScript loop using special EJS percentage tags. Slap an equal sign on those tags and boom, it magically prints the exact task text onto the page. We even use EJS to build a totally unique delete URL for every single task. Pretty neat. This whole cycle perfectly maps out the continuous logical loop of our file-based app. You've absolutely nailed the foundation here. So the real question is, are you ready for MongoDB?